Kung ikaw ay bago lang sa aking channel, huwag kalimutang mag-like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka sa aking mga susunod na videos. Enjoy watching!
Combine flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Set aside. Mix butter until softened. Add white sugar. Add brown sugar. Add eggs one at a time. Add milk. Add smashed ripe bananas. Add vanilla essence. Add the flour mixture gradually. Add some chocolate chips. Transfer into a loaf bread pan with baking paper.